Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the cell, the unit of life. This is the chapter 8 of your biology for class 11th. In this chapter, I am going to teach you about cell. What is cell? You know that cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered cell. He saw a thin slice of cork in microscope and see a large number of small chambers within this section. In this section, he saw a large number of small chambers. These small chambers are called cells. Cell means a very small chamber. When Robert Hooke saw a thin slice of cork in microscope, he saw a large number of small chambers. These chambers are called cells. Means you can say cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. What is the definition of cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Okay? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. This is called cell. Now come to cell theory. What is cell theory? Cell theory is given by two scientists. One is botanist and another is zoologist. This is M. Sliden and T. Swan. M. Sliden and T. Swan gave this cell theory. There are 3 points related to cell theory. First of all, cell is the structural unit of life. Second point is the cell is the functional unit of life. And third one is the all new cells arise from pre-existing cells. Means always new cells arise from pre-existing cells. Means if a cell is present earlier, then it develops to form new cells. This is called Robert Virchow called this sentence as omnis cellula e cellula. Omnis cellula e cellula. What is meant by this sentence? This sentence means all new cells arise from pre-existing cells. These are the 3 points related to cell theory. You know that cells are very small, large, are of various shapes. Cells may be of various shapes. Very small cell, or you can say smallest cell. Smallest cell is bacterial cell. Bacterial cell is the smallest cell. Largest cell, that one is ostrich egg. Ostrich egg is the largest cell. Longest cell is the nerve cell. Nerve cell is longest cell. Okay? Cells have various shapes. Like some of the cells are like this. Some of the cells are spherical, oval, irregular shape like amoeba, and so on. Various types of cells are present. Now come to organisms related to cell. All organisms are made up of one or more cells. Those organisms which are made up of single cell are called single-celled. Single-celled organisms are called unicellular. And if the organism are made up of many cells, then they are called multicellular. Means those organisms which are made up of single cell are called unicellular, like bacteria, amoeba, Chlamydomonas. These are the single celled or unicellular organisms. And most of the plants and animals are multicellular. They are made up of many cells. Human beings also are placed under multicellular organism. Okay? You know that. Now come to types of cells. How many types of cells? Cells are mostly of two types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Pro means primitive, karyotic means nucleus. Those cells which have primitive nucleus. Eu means well developed, karyotic means nucleus. Those cells which have well developed nucleus is called eukaryotic cell, and those cells in which nucleus is not well developed, primitive nucleus is present, is called prokaryotic cell. Okay? Means you can say cells are of two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. What is difference between this and this? Here you can say nucleus is absent. Here nucleus is present. Second one, DNA without histones. Histones are the proteins found in chromosomes. But here DNA without histones. In eukaryotic cells, DNA with histones. Histones are proteins found in chromosomes with histones. Third one is ribosomes 70S type. Here ribosomes are of 80S type. Fourth one, cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. Here cell organelles are present. Okay? This is the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Now come to how many types of eukaryotic cells are formed. Eukaryotic cells are of two main types. Eukaryotic cells are of two main types. First one is plant cell and second one is animal cell. What is difference between plant cell and animal cell? You have already studied about this in class 9th. Okay? And now in my next lecture I am going to discuss about the parts of cell. What are the parts of cell? Okay? Thank you.